Hello sir, I will discuss the Module 1, the philosophy of social norms and ethics, human mind and behavior. Concept about human mind. Understand the human mind is the main concept of psychoanalytic theory by Sigmund Freud. Freud personality theory 1923 saw the psyche structured into the three parts. The first is the ID, the second is the ego, and the third is the superego. The idea pleasure principle is the impulsive and unconscious part of the our psyche which responds directly and immediately to basic urges, needs, and desire. Ang example ng ID pleasure of principle ay may ang isang sanggol na umiyak dahil sa gutom. Gusto niya na kumain. Ito ay immediately basic source needs are desire. Ang pangalawa naman ay ang ego. Ego operates according to the reality principle, working out the realistic ways of the satisfying the ID's demand. Ang pangalaman, ang halimbawa naman ng ego ay ang isang bata na gustong kumain ng tsokolate na nakita niya sa lamesa. Bakos alam niyang bawal niya itong kainin na walang pahintulot sa kanyang magulang. Kaya inintay ng bata ang tamang oras para umingi ng pahintulot sa magulang bago itong kainin. Ang bata ay iniwasan ang negative consequences. Ang pangatlo naman ay ang superego. Superego incorporates the value of the morals of a society which are learned from the one's parents and others. Ang alimbawa ng superego ay isang bata na kahit gusto niyang kunin ang laro ng kanyang kapatid ay hindi niya to gagawin dahil alam niyang hindi to tama o hindi to magandang asal. Nararamdaman ng bata ang konsensya. May tatlong level of awareness sa pag-iisip ng tao. Ito ay ang una ay ang conscious. Ang pangalawa naman ay ang subconscious. Ang pangatlo naman ay ang unconscious. Ang una ay ang unconscious ay scanner for causing to perceive an event. Halimbawa, kapag nakikinig ka ng radyo, ay nasa conscious level ka na niyan or nagbabasa. Pangalawa naman ay ang subconscious ay storage point of any recent memories. Parang itong imbakan sa pag-isip or alaala na madilim mo lang ma-access. Halimbawa ay ang pangalan ng iyong kakilala or ang iyong address at may iba pang detalye na madilim mo lang maalala. Pangatlo naman ay ang conscious mind level where all of our memories part of experience reside. Ito ay naglalaman ng mga depressed na alaala, damdamin at mga masakit na alaala. In short, ito ay ang isang trauma na ang iyong na-experience o naalala. What is social norms? Lisa Rondi in her studied in that social norms is the accepted behavior that individual is accepted to conform to in a particular group or group, community, or culture. When you do not conform to the social norms that accepted by your culture or group is considered an abnormal behavior. These are types of the social norms. The terms feng shui, sometimes known as conventions or customs, are standard of behavior that are social approved but normally significant. The second is the mores, are the norms of morality. The third is the taboo, an act that is prohibited or restricted by the social custom, like abortion in the Philippine culture. The fourth is the laws, or the formal body of rules enacted by the state and backed by the power of the state. These are the type of the social norms. The second is I will discuss the module 12, the Samuto typing and Nisho theory. Samuto typing theory is the theory which associate body basic to behavior and criminality. It's began with the work of German psychiatrist, neurologist, and psychopathologist like Ernest Krenschmer, 1888 to 1944, who constituted four principal type of the body physics. The first is the asthenic. Ito ay ang isang pangangatawan na payat, slightly built, narrow shoulder. Ito ay tinatawag din ectomorph. At pangalawa naman ay ang athletic, medium to tall, or strong or muscular force bones. Tinatawag itong mesomorph. Ang athletic ay nakikita ito sa mga tao na mahilig sa mga sport katulad ng basketball or iba pang mga athletic na sport. Pangatlo naman ay ang picnic, medium height, rounded figure, massive neck, and broad face. Ito ay tinatawag na endomorph. Picnic ay example dito ay si Mike Tyson. Isa siyang rounded figure and massive neck. Since Kretschmer was a psychiatrist, he related this body shape to various psychiatric disorder like picnic to manic depression. Manic depression is according to the Merriam-Webster dictionary refers to the reversal psychological disorder or mood characterized usually by alternating episode of depression and mania. Ernest A. Hutton, he examined the relationship between the personality and physical type with regards to the criminal behavior. Hutton, an American physical anthropologist, believed that Cesar Lombroso's theory of the born criminal, according to which criminal could be identified based on their physical characteristic. Hutton classified those characteristics into the sociological, psychological, physical, morphological, and pathological areas. For example, according to Hutton, criminals are less often married and more often divorced. Criminals often have tattoos. Criminals have thinner beard and body hair, and their hair is more often reddish brown and straight. Criminals often have blue, gray or mixed colored eyes, and less often the dark blue eyes. Criminals have low sloping foreheads, eye nasal braids, and thin lips. Criminals' ears have broad helix and perceptible Darwin's point. Hutton just stated that the human samutotype body shape of the physics can even determine which type of the crime person will commit. Ang mga matangad na mga tao ay karamihan ay predisposed for murder or robbery. Ang mga tall medium heavy mean for forgery. Tall heavy means for first degree murder. The medium height heavy for antisocial behavior. Short slender yung mga panda kaya burglary, and larceny. Short medium maybe for arson, pagsusunog, while the short AV meant for the 6 offenses. Since he believed that biological predisposition determine deviant behavior, Otton advocate removal of the criminal from society, seeing no hope in their rehabilitation.